Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 71,809 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a headlight and turn signals that are the proper colors. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, ABS, heated grips, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with aftermarket LED-colored headlights and passing lamps, turn signals, highway pegs, a tinted windshield, axle caps, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, aftermarket spark plug wires, an aftermarket exhaust, a primary cover, shift linkage, fuel door cover, passenger floorboards, foot controls, saddlebag lights, and short antennas. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.